Yo! Blizzard 2010. It is a mess. I just got back from getting firewood. Our electric's out. There's power lines down everywhere. Telephone poles are leaning against homes. It's a crazy mess, man. Check this shit out. Down the steps. Gotta park the car. Gotta back it in. I got a lot of wood I got. Supposed to get worse. Temperature's supposed to drop. Everything's supposed to freeze. Gotta clean the other car off before that freezes. The wall of our store. Wind was so strong, the snow stuck to the side, and oh, what a mess, man. You can see the electric's out. See the lights aren't flashing. Hopefully it'll come back on. New Jersey Transit bus was in the marsh on the boulevard. Whew. Here we go.